I just need to do this with one hand, so don't judge me please for making a bad video. Please don't judge me. Because I have my bike with me for train spotting, because I do that as well. Let's try to go backwards now. This lift is Tepper Liften. Okay. Let's go to the other lift, because we have to do that one as well. I only do that up because I need to not take my time, because I need to get the next train to Groningen. So yes. Oh look, that's cool. The lift is already here. Oh, this one looks a little bit disgusting. But we'll have to work with that. So there we go. Oh, there's a spider over there. Cool. And we're upstairs again. Wait. I just remembered something. I do not need to go to this platform. Whoopsie. I just remembered that I needed to go the other side because I'm not going back to Zwolle. Whoopsie. Oh well, I still have a lot of minutes left. Like 7 minutes or something like that. So there's no need to be worried that I'm going to be late. So oh well, we're going back. I wasn't thinking that out. Hi, that's me. Have a nice day. Look, have a nice look at me. Oh, I didn't think that through. Did I? Sometimes I'm a real stoop. Did you know that? There we go. At least the lift waited for me. That's cool. Nice fixtures, by the way. Gotta say that. Nice motor sound either. And we're upstairs again. On the other side of the platform. There we go. Let's go out. Ow. And that's it.